Lychee Gen tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lychee Gen. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Lychee Gen, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Lychee Gen, it is an online AI-powered platform known as Lychee Gen, developed by Mango 3D that allows users to generate printable 3D models directly from ideas using simple inputs like text prompts, images, or sketches. And it works by first creating 2D preview based on the user's description, which can be refined and then converting that preview into a full 3D model ready for download and use in 3D printing workflows, in which the tool is also designed to remove the need for advanced modeling or CAD skills, making 3D creation more accessible to beginners while still being useful for experienced creators. So now to start using it, just click try for free, then fill out the required information on this pop-up window, including your name, last name, email, password, country, and also your profession. But I'm going to sign up using my Google account in here. By doing so, all we need to do is simply click the Google or sign up with Google button. Once done, you can now start adding here a text or prompt of what kind of design you want to create. Either you can upload an images from your computer files and upload a sketch in here. But in this option, I'm just going to simply enter a text. So based on the prompt in here, I'm just going to simply input, for example, a design that I'm looking for is about or for an archer wearing a red and black hood. And after that, you can even select a style which is also recommended in here. By simply clicking this button, it will show you automatically a variety of design style that you can choose from. And in those options, I'm going to choose, for example, this one. And after that, it will show us in here that to generate image, we need to have at least 5 credits. And as you can see, upon using the free trial, it has offer a 100 number of credits. So upon clicking the button below to generate the design, it will automatically show us that it is now currently being loading. After that, you should be able to see the image generated. Then you could even optimize to make it a 3D once done, in which it may take some time upon waiting in here depending on your internet connection as well. And after that, it will show you in here the 2D model, which is this one. If you want to make it in 3D, you can click generate 3D model button below. It will show you upon clicking the generate 3D model button that it is now currently being loading. And while we're waiting for it to be fully loaded as a 3D model, we can simply navigate to start downloading the application of Lychee Gen. All you need to do is simply go to this website and start looking for the download button of Lychee Gen. It will automatically show you where you can start downloading this download window button if you're using a PC. And after that, upon clicking on it, it will automatically show you that it is now currently being downloading on your screen, in which they also offer an application to download for Mac OS, Linux, and Linux app IMG. And after installing the application of Lychee Slicer, which are needed for us to edit some of the 3D model that we're going to download. Once done, it will show us in here that our 3D model that we have been created has now been successfully done. We can start clicking Slice with Lychee button. However, you could also start rotating, zooming in, zooming out in order to see all of the details, including before printing this kind of 3D model. You can even change the texture, either mesh only or even to make it only normal. This is basically what it looks like, but I'm going to choose the texture one and click Slice with Lychee button. And we can start opening the Lychee Slicer. Upon installing it, it will ask you what kind of 3D printer do you use, either resin 3D printer or filament 3D printer. Upon selecting any of this answer, the next thing that you need to do is to choose your printer. In those options, I'm going to choose this Craftbot and also this Flow XL as type of Craftbot printer. Once done, this is basically what the default looks like of the 3D model in our Lychee Gen or Slicer. But upon refreshing it, after clicking the Slice with Lychee option right here, after the website has been created the 3D model, you will now be able to be directed, or it will show you the loading process. And this is basically what it looks like. And from here, you can now start customizing using some of the options on the left side panel in order to start changing the position, the sizes, the style before printing it. So basically, using this Lychee Gen slicer and Lychee Gen, it will help to boost the productivity and creativity. Instead of spending hours or days manually designing a model, users can quickly generate multiple variations, experiment with ideas, and refine output in a minute. And overall, that is just how you can use Lychee Gen. Thank you.